fantastic, and you're still not smart.
Connor, you've been raining on my parade the entire night.
How have I been raining on you?
Every time I say a joke, every time I say anything, you say I'm stupid, dumb, or whatever you say when you're not making fun of me.
Bailey, I'm just trying to teach you and other people in the audience something.
And what would that be?
Well, if anybody out here knows the candy Airheads, well, Bailey grew up eating too many of them. And the title implies what happens to people who eat too many of them. They become airheads. If you look up airhead in the dictionary, you'll see Bailey's picture. Just announce that.
Okay. This is Olivia the Beast Thompson.
She may be small, but she has a huge voice, and she's singing "Don't Rain on My Parade."
Woohoo!
A freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once. Right side, oh, life is juicy, juicy and juicy. I've gotta have my bite, so get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I've simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring her on a cloud.